Are you looking to take your business to the next level of success and beyond? Look no further than our team of digital marketers. Our customized strategies are tailored to meet your unique needs and goals so that you can achieve unparalleled success in your industry. In this fast-paced and ever-changing world, it's crucial to have a solid digital marketing strategy in place. The internet has become the go-to source for information and entertainment. And if you need to maximize your online presence, you're missing out on a vast potential audience. Our team of experts is experienced in digital marketing, and we know what it takes to create a winning strategy to help you reach and surpass your targets. We take the time to get to know your business, audience, and goals so we can create a customized plan that works for you. Our core strength lies in producing captivating and engaging videos to set your brand apart. We use the latest technology and techniques to create high-quality videos that showcase your products, services, and brand in the best possible light, whether you need a promotional video for your website, a product demo, or a brand awareness campaign. We've got you covered. In addition to video production, we specialize in search engine optimization and social media marketing, two of the most critical aspects of digital marketing today. Our team stays up to date with the latest trends and best practices in SEO and social media marketing, so we can provide you with the most effective strategies to increase your visibility, drive more traffic to your website, and engage with your audience on social media. We offer a range of pricing packages to suit your requirements, whether you're just starting or are a large enterprise. And when you work with us, you can expect nothing but the highest level of service and professionalism. We believe in building long-term relationships with our clients based on trust, transparency, and mutual respect. So why choose us over the competition? We're passionate about what we do. Experienced, results-driven, creative, flexible, and affordable. Our services are ideal for businesses looking to establish a robust digital presence and expand their reach. We understand that you may have yet to get any clients, but we're confident that we can help you achieve your business goals and attract loyal customers. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you and your business reach your desired audience. Our product demos and Q&A sessions will give you an inside look at how our services can benefit your business. We're confident that once you see what we can do for you, you'll be eager to join forces with us and make it happen. Please take advantage of the opportunity to achieve unparalleled success with our digital marketing experts. Contact us now and let's make your business dreams a reality.